Ngā mate o matara, ngā mate o tata, haere mai haere. Tātou e pai nei ki te hāhātanga o te whenua. Tiewa Māori ora. Māsi hopa tēnei, he uri no te taitokerau.
Ai, whina soka tēnei, he uri anō no te taitokerau.
And I'm Luke Bird the Birdman, and guess what? I'm also from Te Tai Tokiro. And welcome to NZME and iHeartRadio's latest, greatest, colourful, fab, fun, new podcast, Kōrero.
Kōrero, tahi.
Horu ngā mea. That is right, everybody. Kōrero is about having some fun, celebrating te reo Māori, doing all the greatness, the shamefulness, the goodness, the fun, the lies, the no lies. It's all about having fun, learning te reo in a really cool way, but more importantly, giving it a go.
Tika, and we're shamelessly te taitokerau.
Hard out, if you haven't guessed already.
Yeah, if you haven't guessed. Hoi anō e te iwi, it is about inspiring our whānau, our friends, and of course, if you want to be somebody.
And you want to go somewhere?
You better wake up and pay attention.
If you want to
Be somebody, and you want to go somewhere, you better wake up and pay attention. That is right. Do you know, everybody, we're at episode 7 already.
Wow.
Hey, hey.
And
Māori
the
ora.
harmonies,
Episode 7.
and the harmonies still on, by the way.
Yeah.
We're there.
Yeah, it's like, it's like a program when they have their sitcom theme music come in.
Yeah.
It's all live.
It's amazing. Gosh, we're amazing talking about ourselves. I love it.
Tika. Again, I'm just like, episode 7, the glow up is still here.
Yeah.
Loving our studios, loving our whare.
I know.
Kia ora.
And you know the cool thing about it? We didn't have to pay for it.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
It's great.
Because we would have been still at home. Well, no, Etiwi, what's our topic for today?
Te kaupapa o te rā. Every week, as you know, Etiwi, if you tuned in now for the good 7 episodes already, Ia Wiki, we bring you kaupapa o te rā, something to celebrate and focus on. We've had some great kaupapa over the last few weeks, but today's kaupapa is all about celebrating Māmā and business, and people who are out there doing the do. And to do that, get your waka out, everybody, because we're paddling fast for this one. To do that, we bring in manuhiri Ia Wiki. And today's manuhiri, tangata tino rongonuira wātu.
Can you do that again?
Tangata tino rongonuira wātu. It's all
Tell
in the
the
ham.
people.
The one and only.
I love it. You're drawing everybody in.
She is the one and only. She's a staunch wahine Māori. She's
Yes.
from Te Tai
Kia
Tokiro.
ora.
She is a business owner, a businesswoman, a mama, a wife. She is the star of the hit series Casketeers. The one and only, the amazing Kaiora Tipene is in the whare today.
Ara mai te tahi ahua. Can I just say, Kaiora, I remember her, I first met her, she was at Kōrero College.
Koro.
Yeah, and we were both in Te Urunga.
The FFN.
Yeah, so if you didn't know Te Urunga, it was like a rangatahi kapahaka group
Yeah.
from Te Tai
Bro,
Tokiro.
I remember Tūrunga.
Yeah.
I was like a little kid there chasing you guys around at the filming, at the recording, at the
Showing your age.
studios.
Thank you.
I was way younger than you two.
yeah, thank you. You're a baby. I get it. He kuia. Hoi anō, Kaiora, Kōrero College, and now she's the Casketeers.
Oh.
And they live next door to Tongan Royalty in Onehunga.
Get the mats out, everything.
know.
Pilo Levu comes for a cup of tea. Princess Pilo Levu.
That's right. If you're from Tonga and you live in New Zealand, does that make you tangata whenua?
I think it does.
That was good.
Yeah,
Do it
you're
again.
welcome. Yeah, no.
Tangata whenua.
Tangata whenua.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you repeat a joke, it's way
It's way funnier if you make me say it twice. Yeah, exactly.
All right, Kaiora is our topic for today. Is our
can't wait.
kaupapa. And so, on that note, don't go anywhere. You know the drill.
Yeah.
We're going to have a great kōrero. It's going to be funny. It's going to be sad, no doubt.
Oh, hope
it's
not.
going to be emotional. It's going to be inspirational. Kia utonu mai e hoama. Tuatahi though.
All right.
Cafe.
Cafe.
That is right. Now, Ia Wiki, again, we are learning how to use te reo in everyday life. Doesn't mean you have to be on the marae or at a hui. It's everyday life.
Although that's good.
That is good.
Yeah.
But like going to a cafe and ordering coffee, everyone goes to a cafe, no matter who you are. Marcy will order a hot chocolate. Phoenix and I are the adults.
Yeah, I'm probably ordering a chicken quiche, to be honest.
Nice. And if you have a spare $20, you get a large coffee.
Yeah.
A large coffee.
I reckon.
So today we're going to offer you more intel and examples on how to order your coffee in Te Reo Māori at your favourite local downtown cafe.
I'm loving what you're saying.
Yeah.
And so what's our order today, Luke? You can
well,
order today.
Today, Marcia, I used to do this before when I was on my my kaupapa tinana.
Oh, kia ora.
And my trainer said to me, if you want to cut out all the calories when you drink coffee but still get that hit, you order an Americano.
Yes.
So I was like, oh, okay, cool. So today I'm going to order Americano, please.
Okay, a large Americano.
A large Americano. He aha te nui, he nui i awa.
Yeah, nui. Nui.
Aye. So, Phoenix is the barista. But if you were to ask Phoenix for a large Americano,
How do I do it?
he Americano.
Oh, groundbreaking.
Wow.
Maku. Koira, he mama.
Okay,
It's
cool.
almost Mexican.
So I want you to be the barista and I want you to say how a barista would if you're working in downtown Auckland.
Okay, yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah.
I got it. Downtown Auckland. I'm your barista.
yeah.
You come into the shop.
Hey.
Here we go. Downtown Auckland. How can I help you?
That's downtown New York.
Oh, yeah,
straight
yeah.
up.
Yeah.
How can I help you? Just like this job. Hurry up.
Yeah, true.
Hi, can I get hi, he Americano Marku?
Oh.
Oh, gosh, I felt Americano.
Yeah. That also sounds like he's wanting an American guy.
Yeah,
Yes.
it does. And I'm happily going to take, I'll take
Yeah.
it. I'll order that too, please.
Pehia te rahi.
Oh, nui.
That's also appropriate for the American guy.
Yeah, yeah. Americano nui.
Aye.
Coming
He,
right up.
Okay, well, do that again, please. Oh, tēnā koe kia ora. He Americano nui Marku?
Aye. Kapai.
Hea te utu?
$11.80.
Oh, 11.80.
But $10 if you brought your own keep cup.
Oh,
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
winning.
Oh.
Isn't that funny
And
how...
then the keep cup is smaller than the large, but you're still paying the large.
Yes.
Yeah, you're still paying the large.
Yeah.
I love that though. So Americano, typical,
It's just a transliteration.
it's a very weak, long black.
Yeah, it's got a cream on it, eh?
It's just sometimes you put cream on it, sometimes it's just black. So the long black in Aotearoa is just a double shot espresso, bit of water. Americano is just full water. It's like filtered coffee.
That sounds even worse.
And it is. And it just it's got 0 calories.
Oh, there
Yes.
we go.
So if you want a large Americano, go to your local cafe and ask, he Americano nui Marku.
Kapai.
Tia, no.
Kapai.
Kiki cafe.
Cafe.
Way to go.
Gosh, we're
Bad.
Flashville.
Yeah.
Maybe we should get ourselves some drinks.
Yeah, we've got a
Oh,
coffee
yeah.
table and it's a
Got a
coffee
coffee.
table.
Yeah.
If there's no coffee on it, is it still a coffee table?
Take a
Phoenix.
Te tepu noa.
Ooh.
ukulele table.
Lele.
Right, it is time for our game.
That's right, Ejiwi. So we've had our coffee, we're feeling warmed up, but now our tinana is warm, but now we need to warm the hinengaro, the wairua, weratu momo mea. So we have a section now called Reheko. Or in the wise words of Uncle Luke.
Let's commence.
So
So
appropriate.
Reheko is our game where we play a bit of a game. Today our game is called Ngā mea nei. And you have to say it like that too.
Ngā mea nei.
Ngā mea nei. Yeah, you know, because not te whaitokara.
Madonna.
Yeah. Ngā mea nei.
Ngā mea.
Anyway, so the game works. We've got a list of categories here. You'll have a kupu.
letter.
Letter.
Oh, a letter,
A letter,
sorry.
and you have to say. See, because how I'm.
I gotta give
I'm
the
describing
Captain
the
Button over
segment.
to you.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, momentarily.
So we have a letter, and you just have to say something.
I see. I gave it. And what did you do?
Put me off.
All right, so it is Ngā mea nei
Did you get it?
categories.
Yeah.
And you have to
You have a
name
letter.
each category.
And then you have to name something in each category with said letter,
Got it.
Wow.
and preferably in te reo.
Preferably. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mawa e tati. Who's
Mau.
going to start?
Mau. Maku e pane, mau e tati.
Oh, sorry about that. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you're ready to go.
I'm ready. All right,
All right,
Marcia.
here we
Here
go.
reta.
Ko tō reta, ko tō pū, ko te reta,
Yep.
ooh.
Oh, ooh.
Okay.
Okay. And
Or you.
he reo rua
He
rana?
reo rua.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kapai.
Yeah,
Reo rua,
bilingual.
sorry, yes.
Bilingual, it's funny.
Bilingual.
All right, okay, name a town.
Urewera.
Oh,
Oh,
get it.
nice.
So a bustling town that is indeed.
Yeah.
Kai.
Ooh.
Yeah, that is
Name, well, you. For a kai for you would be, I'm going to eat some, Oh, I'm not going to say that one.
You kind of
Oh, we're not going to say that one.
Wow.
Oh, no.
Not very appetizing.
Some want to eat it, some don't want to eat it. I don't know. You. Help me out. Come on, feel
Nah.
me.
I got none.
Maybe you
Move
can say
along.
pass.
Yeah, pass.
And then you go.
Oh, no. Oh.
Pass.
Nah, pass.
Pass. Goes
Gone
to
back.
town.
Oh.
You're
Tinana.
useless.
Okay.
Tinana.
Underarm pits.
Nice.
Wow. Mahi.
I'm gonna be an umbrella holder.
Ah,
Kia ora.
for the queen.
I actually thought in giving you
I thought it'd be
but
easy.
Sorry.
No, sorry about it.
Pakihi. Business
yes.
or brand?
You're yeah.
Oh yeah.
You?
There's some
I got a couple.
Yeah, pass.
Oh, Under Armour.
yeah. You need
E
to.
hara i te paki Māori, e rangi Under Armour.
Aye,
Kia ora.
okay. All right.
Kakahu.
I'm going to put on my uenuku jacket.
Ah.
Uenuku.
So that one.
Yeah. Uenuku undergarment.
Undergarment.
Oh, kia
Well,
ora.
I show mine.
Last one, Tima. Sports
Yeah,
team.
sports
Like a
team.
team. Kia koe.
I'm going to go play for the uenuku hockey team.
Oh, man.
Isn't there one? You interviewed an Uenuku
Yeah,
It's
rugby
not
league
called
team.
Uenuku.
Well, it's not called that. It's called the New Zealand Falcons.
Oh, kia ora.
Because
Yes,
they're flapping
that's
them
how
flaps on
tough.
the field, I tell
Right.
you.
That was a rough round.
That was
one,
rough and
Richie.
hard. That was cracks. All
We're
right.
supposed to wake us up.
Phoenix, let's go.
Yeah,
Your turn.
All right, my turn.
Your letter is going to be W.
Ooh,
Okay,
And
town.
it's not for
Yes.
WH. It's just W.
Ah.
Tika.
Wellington.
Oh, nice. Kai.
Wātakrehi.
Tinana.
Yes.
Waiwai.
Mahi.
Waka ama tikanga course facilitator.
Oh, yes. Pakihi.
Pakahi. Warewhare.
Oh, nice. Kakahu.
Where?
Windbreaker.
Oh. Tima.
Aptawa.
Ah, you practice. That's good.
Yeah, paitera.
All right. Marcia,
Yes.
kei
Your
a
ma.
koe. Your letter is going to be M.
Kia ora. So original.
So original.
M. Town.
Town.
Manukau.
Okay.
Kai.
Yeah, Kai.
Etahi manukahane.
Ah, yes.
Oh, tinana.
Yeah.
My legs.
My legs.
She got her legs.
Muscles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was thinking, yep.
What were you
Mahi.
thinking?
Maihara.
Oh, Maihara, yeah.
Mahi.
Mahi, a motorist.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
okay.
motorist.
Right. Oh, well, you
A
said it.
mechanic.
Ah,
there we go.
That's better.
Pakihi.
Pakihi.
Pakihi, everybody should go check out.
My legs.
Yeah. Mana. Surely there's a company out there called
Yeah,
Mana.
Mana.
Yeah.
Probably. Kakahu.
Oh, yes.
Kakahu. Hey, what's his name? Ma.
What was it? Kakahu.
Yeah.
With M, you're going to put on your Magic Mike undies. Your.
Ora.
You
said that so well.
Well, you know,
Yeah.
sometimes you get merchandise sent, and
Yeah.
sometimes you keep it.
Yeah. Yeah. I've got nothing.
Pass.
And,
Tima.
Tima, last one.
Tima. The. Oh, hey, come on. Manawanui. Atea Manawanui.
Mine
That
was
was
dumb. Can I just do a couple of extras just to
Okay.
give me something? Because I feel like I was not
Yeah.
participating.
Everybody at home's like riveting,
Cut.
guys.
Wow.
In our head, this game was going to be off the hook. All right,
Okay, give me an easy one at least.
Mo, if you
We'll just give no letter, just town. Go. In Māori. But you have to answer in Māori. Town.
Kawakawa.
Kai.
Puha.
Tinana.
Ringaringa.
Mahi.
Wenetine. Wā nini nini.
Oh, wow.
Te,
Yeah.
ārero specialist.
Ārero specialist.
Well, I'm sure there's surgeons for that.
Pākahi.
Mai taiao.
Nice. Kakahu. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
We made it easier.
Yeah.
Tihati.
Nice. Tima, last one.
The rugby Hurricanes woman.
Yep.
Poa?
Yes.
Poa.
Hurricane Poa. Shout out to them.
I like that he still felt like he was on the spot
Yeah.
with all the letters in the word.
I was fast, okay, guys. All right. Well, there's your Kemu. Have some fun with it. Use it with your kids or yourselves, or don't do it at all. But it's a lot easier than you think. Let's commence.
All right, it's time to kōrero with our rerenga kōrero.
Rerenga kōrero
Tēnā whakarongo mai. And Ia Wiki,
Aye.
thanks to our favourite author, Hona Black, and our favourite book, Te Reo Kape Kape.
Aye, it's a goer.
Te Reo Kape Kape, beautiful pink book. I like it, hot pink. Also, he's got a really cool blue one as well with kupu whakarite.
Aye.
But you'll find idioms, kiwaha, whakatauki, whakatauwaki, and of course, rerenga kōrero.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai.
Pretty much they're like fancy ways to tease your friends. This book.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Really good ways to add rerenga to your conversation. Rerenga
Oh my God.
kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai.
I was going to leave you hanging on that one.
All right. He kanohi kai re mana.
Sour face.
Oh, boom.
Someone's got a
hey.
sour, scrunched up face.
No,
Ugh.
back then around.
It's the old RBF.
RBF?
Yeah.
Say it. What is it?
I can't say it. But the RBF, the resting bee face.
Oh.
I was like, I'm way too old for acronyms.
Yeah, me too. I was like,
Resting bee
RBF?
face.
Well, say it again. He kanohi.
Kai re mana.
Yeah, someone who's eaten a lemon and it's scrunched because you go, twisted up face. So is this someone that's like, you're yuck?
Yeah, you got it. You hit it on the buzzer.
Yeah. Is that? But that's someone's face. They always just look like this.
Yeah. They all just got their like scrunched up face.
Yeah, like why are you
Sucked
so
on
mad?
lemons, a sour face.
Ah,
Why are you so mad? You're listening to
Yeah.
Kōrero podcast. What could you
Yeah.
possibly have a sour lemon face about?
Well, I suggest if you use it, you could use this for anybody, really. Oh, there's that Sheila walking down. Oh, he kanohi kai remana.
Aye. Or like,
Kai
you can say it to a tamariki sitting there and they're just looking grumpy.
Yeah.
Oh, kanohi kai re mana. What's going on with you?
Or your husband walks in, you're like, oh, he's back again. Oh, he kanohi
Yeah, and
kai
then,
remana.
you
Yeah.
go kanohi kai
Yeah,
remana
yeah.
when you see
You're
him.
actually.
Yeah, actually, it would be you doing it, really, isn't it? If you're judging that person, really, you've got the sour face. I know lots of them.
Tika. So,
I've got a whole tree full of them, a whole tree of lemons, and I'm like, ooh, you all.
kanohi kai re mana.
All of them.
Sucks on lemons, a sour face. Oira.
Kia koe tauira?
Okay. Titiro ki tēnei koroke. Look at this fella just coming on and he already looks grumpy. I don't know why. Kanohi kai re mana.
Yeah,
Oh,
kanohi
yeah.
kai remana. Why are you so mad, Uncle? You just got here.
Yeah.
Lighten up.
Who did it?
Who did it?
Yeah, who did it?
Who
Who
hurt
asked you
you?
for money?
Yeah. Sorry, I should have done a positive one, eh?
No,
Well, no. That's the luck of the draw, Tifano.
Kanohi kai remana. Someone with a sour face. And it's really for no reason too, eh?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
that's
for-
the
yeah.
kind of context. Like, why?
What's going on here?
Yeah. Someone that's kai re mana, someone that eats lemons or sucks on lemons. That's the reason why they've got a sour
Penana.
face. Koira.
I love
That's
it.
our rerenga kōrero.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai.
Te reo kape kape, brought to you by Hona Black. Māori wits and humour, available in Wickles and all bookstores. If you can find it, go out and get it.
Yeah, it's a great one.
It's kupu iawa.
Nui te kōrero.
Tika.
Ah, great.
I like it.
I love that we just sit here and we kōrero. It's called kōrero and we kōrero.
Yeah, original.
Oh, how original.
How
guys.
original. Right.
What should we
I just
call
have
our
to keep-
talk show? Talk.
Yeah, talk.
Yeah. I say talk just sounds like chalk.
Chalk.
It sounds, and kōrero, it's like the rolling of the R's gives
Yeah.
it a little
Kōrero.
Well, and based on your
Kōrero.
infliction too, it can mean something totally different.
tika.
Kōrero. Yeah, it's like, that's the
Agree.
word. And then kōrero. Like,
Kōrero.
hit it on
Yeah.
the head.
Yeah, keep going. Chalk. Yeah,
And then
chalk.
they're like,
Or like, you've passed your curfew as a teenager, you walk in the house and your mum's sitting right there.
Oh, and they
And
look
she
at you.
looks at you, goes, kōrero.
oh.
Yeah, and when you get that kōrero, you're like,
I've never done that. I don't know.
Yeah, no, that
Can't
was
relate.
pure example.
Yeah, no.
It's pure example, but Marcy is speaking from pure experience.
Mum don't say kōrero, she just does the look, and you're like,
Oh, yeah. If you know that look.
I missed the bus.
yeah. But it's all in the tone.
Yeah.
So, I love it.
I love it too.
Kōrero.
Kōrero.
All right. Tahia te marae.
Oh, is it time for our
It
manuhiri?
is indeed.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Our manuhiri has arrived. We whakapai te whare.
Yes.
Hey, we did whakapai te
Yeah,
whare.
it's ready for them.
Ki te tungānera o tēne.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Me te
set designer.
Pākehira.
Oh, I'm very excited because the one and only guest of all guests is here today. Shall we get into it?
We shall. I'm so excited. Hei te hikaka.
Ooh.
All right, tahia te marae. Tuku a te karanga, tuku a te pōwhiri.
Tēnā koe, Kaiora Tipene, nau mai ki tēnei hōtaka o kōrero e, koe te tino wahine, te tangata tino rongonui e, nau mai, Kaiora, nau mai, Kaiora Tipene. Right, shall we get into it?
We shall. No mai haere mai te tuahine.
Oh, woohoo!
Hai, so hikaka ana te manoa, e noho ana koe ki roto I tēnei whare o tira, me o pukenga katoa, and I love your style, and even though you said it was comfortable, casual, this is it.
I know.
I te mea he bougie.
Hey, I hear Bougie here talk about, she's strutting down that street,
Oh,
she's
thank
knocking people out of the
you.
way, get out of my way.
Trust me, with all these heels and our get-ups,
Yes.
I've still got to get in a 10-seater van with my tamariki.
Yes.
So we got to look the part
Yes.
and then also play the part. So
I
Oh,
love
well, for
that.
people that are listening and watching who are going, have I heard of her? You should. Kaiora Tipene, Marcy we've been research, okay? We've been researching. As we know you as a mete, but we've got some research on you.
And like, I don't want to be a turuki wawata, but we do have research, but I've only got like 2 lines here. Oi anō, Kaiora Tipene, Māmā and Businesswoman, known as the host of New Zealand's reality TV series, The Casketeers, a captivating speaker and MC. Kaiora Tipene is a savvy business owner, as seen on TV, alongside, of course, can't go without mentioning your beautiful husband, Francis Tipene, fronting New Zealand's docu-series, of course, The Casketeers.
Oh.
No mai haere mai.
goodness, thank you.
Oh.
What a bougie intro. I'm savvy, okay.
You can use it for your bio.
Yeah, forward it.
I just want to apologise, just very quickly. I didn't get to send that through, but that was amazing. I'll certainly use it for the next one.
Absolutely.
But I mean, she's on Women's Day, she's on Whakaata Māori, on TVNZ,
Yeah.
all the bio.
You've been here, Kōrero.
And you're here with
Oh, yeah, and
Kōrero.
this one. Yeah,
That's
yeah,
right. And you're from Te Tai Tokedo.
Oh.
Before we get into the nitty-gritty, tell the iwi who you are, what you are, where you're from, hit it.
Ka pai, tēnā koutou te whānau. I was born and raised in Kōrero,
Yeah.
in a household of, maybe it must have been 4 rooms with 12 tamariki. Well, let's say 14 of us, including our parents. And it was kind of like you had this boys' room, a girls' room, the parents' room, and then my brother and his little iwi. So yeah, and it was the first one up. They got the shoes, they got the nice jacket, and we got all the hand-me-downs. And growing up like that at the time, we didn't know we were poor if we were. It was just do your thing, get up, go to school.
That was just the way of life. Yeah.
And then it's sort of until when you get to school and you see all the tamariki with their nice lunch boxes.
Yeah.
And you've got your...
Isn't it? It's always the lunch.
But then you just got to be grateful that you've got your either peanut butter or your jam sandwiches accompanied with some fruit. Ka pai.
You should ask Luke what he had for lunch every day.
Yeah.
I was that kid at school too, yeah.
That
where
we were looking at.
They all looked at me for the lunch. My sandwiches crusts were cut off. Chicken.
Giving privilege.
And
You were the one that had the twisties.
yeah, oh yeah, and rations.
He was the one that had cordial in a bottle. Like,
And-
who came to school with a drink?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
The birds did in the
On top of
kakawhana.
that-
Yeah, we did.
On
Yeah,
top
that
of that, had
flash-
pute as well.
yeah.
Oh.
Oh, look, it's not about me, guys.
Whairawa.
Tell us about the
What-
chicken.
You're
mate.
Bueno, let's go back to Kōrero.
Yeah, back to Kaiora, please, with the Kaiora.
Yes, and so growing up in Kaitaia in a big whānau, I look back at it now and I'm so grateful for my upbringing. There's 6 girls and 6 boys, and
Wow.
I know.
That's incredible.
Like now, I don't know. You have a whānau reunion, you go, do I want to hang out with that sibling?
Where do you fit in the 12?
Yes, I am number 9.
Ooh,
I know, it was
Mum and
funny.
Dad busy.
When we did go to whānau reunions, we would have to, our parents would get us to introduce ourselves, of course, but you have to say what number you were.
Yeah.
Oh,
I said, I'm
28
number
minutes
9.
later.
Yeah, exactly. And so people would remember us by saying, hey, number 9, excuse me.
Oh,
You
really?
were haramai.
So yeah, you kind of were a number amongst the whānau though, but it was quite normal. There were other whānau who were families of 18. Wow. I know my mum's got that.
No TV in Kaitaia back then?
Certainly not in my home.
Yeah, and your family's big enough to have your own family reunion just to get together.
As I mentioned earlier, it was just you've got to really plan to have a whānau reunion with your siblings and.
And I like that you've kept up the tradition and you've got a few tamariki of your own.
And beautiful tamariki, so lovely.
Thank you. Yes, they
Tell
are.
the people how many tamariki you have.
We have 7 tamariki.
I love it.
My Well, I tell everybody I have 7 tamariki, but 8 including my husband. He's my biggest baby, of course.
Ah, we love him.
And yes, it's kind of like the tamariki should be the priority in the morning. And then as soon as someone's like, have you seen my shirt? Have you seen that? You go, oh, okay, it's my time to run outdoors, close the door and let him try and find it himself. And then you hear the same thing again. Mum, have you seen my school shirt? Have you seen
Yeah.
I got it. Mum's the word in the morning. But there's a routine.
Yeah.
Okay. So at night, I would prepare the lunches, and each tamaiti have their preferences. So you really got to label
Oh, you're
the
good.
lunch box.
Wow.
And then in the morning,
With tahi rua.
Yeah. Hey, number 7.
That too.
and well, our big boys at this, my eldest who's living with us at the time, at the moment he's 18, so he helps
Wow.
us with dropping the tamariki off, and he helps us getting their lunches ready and drops them off to any sports if they have any practices.
Yeah.
So,
Neat.
So we know you as the wonderful Kaiora Tipene. We know you from Kaitaia.
Thank you.
But a lot of people will know you from the success of the show Casketeers, which is just a phenomenon on television. Netflix series, huge. But where did it all start for you as you in your career? Because I know you're also a teacher.
Yes.
So how did it all start? Where did it all start from?
Oh, yes. Okay. I loved, so you go to study. I went to the University of Auckland, to Teachers Training College, and you go on practicums. There's a 6-week practicum that you have to do. They assign you a school, and it was there where I realised, like,
Do I want to
this
do this?
this is not 9 to 3.
Oh, we have to actually entertain kids. Oh,
Then you kind of lose count
get
at like
them.
20, 22 in the classroom. Like, okay, we're going up to the 30s. So it was in that sort of experience where I realised maybe this is probably not for me. And I'm grateful for that experience. So my tane at the time was very hungry to manaki to papaku.
right.
Which was completely
Yeah.
not
What
in
you were
my
doing.
field of
Yeah.
what I wanted to do, but it was a surprise because he came home and he shared his views about wanting to open this business and help his people, and it was that was what was attracting me. But it wasn't until when he says, "Oh, I want to be a funeral director and I want to te aki tū papaku," and I'm like, "Oh,
Oh, I'm a teacher.
okay, this is
Maybe teaching's not so bad.
Pono. So I thought, oh, look, I'll let him go on his journey, do his thing. And then it wasn't until when I realised he finally got himself in the industry. He was working for a whānau funeral home in Pamua, and I hardly ever saw him. The kids hardly ever saw their dad. But he needed awhi as well. And so at night time, he would ring me up and say, hey, I need you to come and help me, please. I've got no one else to assist me. Then I was like, okay, cool. And at the same time, I'm like, oh my gosh, he better not prank me while I'm here. This is not about you and I. This is about the whānau and their tūpapaku.
Yeah.
But it was in that sense where you went to go and awhi this loved one and awhi the whānau pani. And they tell you, oh, thank you for looking after my mum. And it was in that moment where I realised, actually, I think I'd rather be helping people than
And helping kids.
well,
They're being stressed.
yeah. So yeah, that's what we're doing at the moment, and we're doing our best to continue to manaki whānau in those times of need.
Do you miss teaching?
I was certain I would go
No.
back.
Parts of it.
Yeah, I was like, am I allowed to say no?
I don't.
Yeah, Masi doesn't. Yeah.
Oh, I give it up to all the teachers though.
Yeah.
You're amazing.
Take her.
Like I said, it's not your 9 to 3 mahi. Some of them are there at 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking, oh yeah, no, I think I love my mahi.
Yeah.
But what I like about your business and what I've seen on Casketeers, because I'm a fan, is just that it actually brings out your guys' personality.
Yes.
And how caring you are, and to the detail, fine detail, and just when you give people that time, and that time of grief, I can see that they really appreciate it,
Yeah.
and it's so genuine. That's what we get
Absolutely.
from the program, and that's what we get from you in person. So I feel like you guys nailed it.
Our producer Helen, is massive fan. She's the same
Hey,
thing.
Helen.
She really gets the nitty gritty of what you do, the personality and how you connect with family. So yeah, and I think everyone does. Yeah.
And how you connect with the tūpapaku, like, kia ora auntie, who's coming today. And
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah, and because, as of Māori whānau losing a whānau member, to have a Māori whānau looking after that whānau member is important because you understand, our tikanga, our view of the world, all of those sort of things, right? So I think for whānau coming through, it's important that you have whānau like yourself who are able to give them the time, give them the space, understand te taha wairua, te taha tinana, all of those sort of things. So that's beautiful. But how do you guys, I often ask this question because I'm always, it's important to me. So how do you guys look after yourself?
Oh,
How do you?
great
Because you'll
question.
have to. It's such a heavy mahi, and you'll be trying not to wear that.
Yes.
How do you look after yourself?
I go to my phone and I watch people like Marcia and Luke who
Yeah,
bring
but-
great energy. No, truly, you need to find some type of outlet or some go-to, and it could be going for some type of hikoi in that moment. But often, what I find with at our mahi, with our tipene whānau, we come back, we debrief, and we have a big kaitahi.
Yes, nice.
And we just let it out like that.
Yeah.
But if the individual is still feeling taumaha, they'll let us know, and then we can refer them to some type of
But for you,
supervision.
you just do a lot of self. Like
I do.
Downtime, self. And whānau is your sort of filling your cup vibes.
And puno. Look, there are so many types of situations that we are fronted with. And I just can't help but go home and awhi all my tamariki.
Yeah.
100%.
And just be so grateful that they're still with me, that I'm still with them. And those are the challenging situations when it's so close to you, like a young mother who passed away giving birth, baby still lives, or even newborns, all types of experience and situations you're fronted with. Often it is the ones that can be quite sudden and unexpected that are heavy for our families to cope with. And you just have to navigate your way through that with the whānau. But in those situations, like when that is close to you, I like to just take a moment. My Tanya and I'm so grateful that he's with me. There are times where him and I have cried on each other, with each other. then we go home and we just awhi all our tamariki. Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to ask because I'm just going to sort of change the tone a little bit.
Thank you.
Earlier,
Yes.
we found out, I learnt for the first time that your next door neighbours happen to be the Tongan royalty. Now, I am a Tongan te whenua.
I heard that.
And I'm a massive fan of Princess Pelolevu. So I want to know who are your neighbours, and do you get to go like Kiki and Kai Kai?
I know, like I've been waiting because I often do walk past that.
Is it gated?
Yes, I know, and I don't get. Well, you've got to walk up a hill to see the gates, because you actually can't see the palace if it is a palace.
Oh, it's a palace?
Yeah, so I've been told.
Right.
So I've walked up so far, and then I really want to be so nosy and go beyond that
Yeah,
gate.
you should. Or do a gate beyond the next gate. Is there another? Oh, okay.
I know.
I'm just looking for something. I dropped it.
I just
rolled.
missing no pulasami.
Well, I got so excited when I saw one of their kaimahi outside sweeping leaves. I know. And I thought,
Here's
this
my
is
opportunity.
Yeah, I can say hello to them.
Yeah,
This is
yeah.
part of the royal family. Well, they weren't. It was Tongan.
Kaimahi.
Yeah, it was kaimahi, and that was okay. But my tane felt so sorry for her blowing these leaves with.
Of course he did.
Oh, yeah,
broom.
because there's the leaf.
He goes home. He gets our
Yes.
leaf blower, and he comes back and he gives it.
That's
to her.
your in.
That's your in.
That's your
We are
in.
the leaf blowers.
Oh,
Because
you
we
go.
know him to be a leaf blower connoisseur.
yeah. We see it.
Just go out the front and just leaf blow, and then I just noticed there was leaves on your lawn.
Yeah.
I'll get it, it's fine, and then who are you guys?
That's cool.
Me personally, if you see me leaf blowing your driveway, it's me trying to get into your
House, yeah. Because I've just put two and two together. I'm
Yeah.
like, now if you live next to a gated palace, the only kingdom of in the Pacific, and you live next door, the girls, pull up to the bumper, girl.
She's a remuera.
Yeah, remuera.
But Casketeers, love the show.
Brilliant show.
It's on Netflix.
Yeah.
It's on TVNZ. What are the future plans?
You know, I didn't even know that it went to Netflix when it was on Netflix. Oh, true. And it's not until when some reporter rings up and says, "Hey, can I have an interview? The show's over." I'm like, "Oh, is it? Oh, kia ora." And my husband, not even knowing what Netflix is at the time, is like, what does this mean? I'm going, "Oh, okay." Got to explain it to him first before he has the interview. Otherwise, he's going to sound like he doesn't know anything. But we didn't. So I think right now I can safely say that we're filming. It's called the Casketeers on the Road, or Casketeers Going Globe, and where we get to go to countries and learn of their
Culture,
tikanga.
tikanga.
Yeah.
Clever.
That's
Yeah.
cool.
That's awesome.
And so far, it's been an experience.
I bet. Oh, well, you heard it
That's
here,
interesting.
Etifano. Oh, that's a vibe.
It is. It is. We went to Tonga Tapu,
Yeah.
and look, because Francis is from Tonga, and he connected with we met some of his whānau, and that was a beautiful experience too. We had whakapapa learning. He even went to his whānau Urupa.
Wow.
But we did our best. We tried to go beyond those palace gates to go and meet
Oh,
the
Princess
king and queen.
Pelolevu.
Oh, I know. We end up meeting the prince and his wife.
Wow.
I know. And they even apologised and said, "Look, I'm so sorry we didn't get time to meet you. And I actually sit down and host you while you're here.
Wow.
But we hope to catch up with you in New Zealand."
Oh, well, of course, because they live next door, so they're coming for a cup of tea.
Kia ora.
But that's so cool. Casketeers to the
Globe,
is
yeah.
and no doubt you'll see tikanga and protocols and that you'd want to adapt back here
Absolute. Well,
or not.
kia ora.
Some of them.
I have a question about that because you and your whānau are very much now in the public eye, and celebrities of our country, we see you, and you may not feel like you are, but you certainly are. And how do you then deal with criticism? And if you see it, how do you deal with it? And when you face it, what do you do?
That's that's a very, very good question. I'm unsure. Look, I think I'm yet to see or experience some form of criticism. But are you able to give me an example? So I
Sure, like social media trolling and people like, the series will come out and TVNZ will put it out there. Next minute, there's people commenting, oh, this and that. Because
sure.
I've seen some comments about these things and they're not nice. And we're all from Te Tai Tokerau, so we know very much well. We are not putting up with that.
Pono.
Yeah.
Look, when the show first aired, there was a glimpse of it, a first few seconds of it on social media, and the comments, people were like, "Oh, what? It's a new year, and you want to start our year like this? It's so sad." And there was a lot of negative comments, so we were unsure what we were going to be faced with. That was just in the lead up to the episode. Then the episode aired,
And all the comments are positive.
all the comments were positive. I mean, like, wow, we were just taken back. If there is any type of criticism, it's kind of like an attack on us. Like, oh, she wore that ugly shirt. Or
No.
he's got a big suit on again. He's looking bigger than he was in the last episode. All those kinds of comments.
Wow.
Yeah. But we've learned to just, you can either take it or you can just ignore it.
People worry. It's still there on the tappy, but they're not there in the, kanohiki te
Oh,
kanohi.
exactly. And you guys know you guys are doing the right mahi. And at the end of the day, the whānau that you're looking after is the main thing, right?
In your line of mahi, what is the highlight
Oh,
to
yeah.
you?
My highlight would be actually receiving feedback from those who have experienced loss and sharing that a certain episode has helped them in their grief. And getting that type of feedback is brings some comfort to know that we've helped others out there.
Yes.
But look, there's been another highlight could be teaching people how we can grieve, how us Māori grieve, or sometimes you'll see that not often a tūpapaku is taken home. The tūpapaku will remain in our care, and that's kei te pai as well. So it's I like to believe that it's educated us here in
Yes.
Aotearoa.
Beautiful.
Very cool.
Love it.
You can change the tone a little bit if you want.
Oh, should we, no, this is all about you. Okay, let's just change it slightly then.
If you want.
When you're not working
Yeah.
and you're not on Māmā duty, what are your go-to things to do?
I start thinking about the beautiful restaurants that I want to go to.
Yeah, because we know the Casketeers.
Yes, our go-tos are the kakitaras. Even when you're by yourself.
Part of the healing.
Yes, you're right. It is part of healing. So there's those. But I do love to have some me time. I like to go to the mall and I might not even buy anything, but I'll just go through and have a look and go, oh, that's looking good today. I'll come back and get you maybe next week. Or something. But I do tend to have some go on my own sort of me time things. Yeah.
I love that.
Cool.
Well, we've got a little game to play with you, just to
Okay.
sort of get more of an idea about
Yeah.
who Kaiora Tipene is.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, it's just a quick this or that.
Yes.
Ka pai?
This or that.
Hat or cap?
Cap.
Kia ora.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Bougie.
Thank you.
Brands or not?
Well, this is a hard
Brands
one.
or not.
What was that?
You better say brands.
Yeah.
I said
See the handbags, girl.
brands.
Shamelessly brands. I love it. Night out or Netflix and chill?
Oh my gosh, I think it would be a Netflix and chill, but actually no. I'm feeling like a night out today.
Yeah, all right, let's do it.
Okay, then.
Pork bones or brisket?
Nah, pork bones. The
Watercress
soft ones.
or puha?
No, watercress. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm
With
you.
tomato sauce, sorry.
Oh,
Not
you're from the
really.
north,
Yeah.
aren't you?
Some good old dough.
Some had
Cheese
some cream
slice
in
or
it.
Butter.
Yeah. Is that cheese or butter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Breakfast or dinner?
Dinner.
Do you cook? You cook? Are you a cook? Like you cook meals? Oh, come on, Rick. Do you cook?
I love cooking. Absolutely love. And you know what? Take me to your marae because I can cook for many people now. I've got an iwi at my
that's
whare.
Yeah, well, family of 12. Whituga tamariki.
Yeah.
Yeah, no doubt.
Kia ora.
Last one, just summer or winter?
Nah, summer. I love summer.
Kia ora.
I've got one for you.
Ula.
Troy Kingi or Stan Walker?
They both watch the show too. But
Yeah, they watch.
Stan Walker Troy.
she did say stand first.
Oh, I love it. One more then. They also have been on our show, LAB or 660.
Oh, you can't do that. Well, you know,
That was a good save here.
Can't do that.
ooh, I'll have to say LA60.
LA 60.
LA 60.
Got a good one.
We love it. Before we say hi to mā te wān hoki ki te kāinga, do you have any final words you'd like to say to the iwi? No?
If-
Okay. No.
If there are any hard, well, there's many, to all the hardworking mums,
Yeah.
to all the entrepreneur mums, or even just being a mum, you just keep on being you.
Yeah.
And even if you're waking up and you start with just getting out of bed and attending to your tamariki, you're winning.
Yes.
100% you are winning. Yes. I think we tend to put a lot of pressure and emphasis on the fact that you should be doing this, should be doing that. But if you're up and providing and you're out there, even if you're working or not, but you're providing for your tamariki, you're winning.
You're
Yes.
winning.
Koe te
You're
mahi o te
winning.
mama.
There's an assumption where wahine have to be in high places or some status to be known as successful. Kaore. You just be you be and you are and you continue.
Oh,
You are and continue.
say that again. Be.
You be, you are, and you continue.
Oh,
Is that all good?
Kaiora
Great.
Tipene,
Yeah.
everybody.
Tipene.
That one and only. That's amazing. Hey, thank you so much for being part of Kōrero season 1. We are so proud to have you as our whānau, our mete from the north, but more so proud of all the mahi you do around our country and the symbols and the expressions and impressions you put upon people is truly amazing. Truly, we love you.
I'm so humble. You make me all gooey in my seat, Luke.
Oh, that's because I warmed it up earlier.
It's still moist.
I'm a huge fan of you guys. I love watching you in the morning. It's amazing.
Emmy,
Thank you. We love you.
Tēnā koe, e te tuine. Me tō o kōrero, o pukenga, tō ehi tō mana, e mihi ana.
Tēnā koe.
Ai rongo ana i te aroha, and hopefully i rongo hoki ana koe i tō taumātai aroha. But take it with you and share it with your husband and your kids. And we'll see you next time.
Yes.
Ano e te iwi, that was our manuhiri, Kaiora Tipene.
Amazing.
If you haven't seen any of the episodes, it's still available on TVNZ and Netflix. And just go to our page and we'll share it with you too.
Boom, shakalaka.
But yeah, Kaiora Tipene, the Casketeers, Kōrero.
Kōrero.
Hoi anō e te iwi, kua tō te rakirunga i tēnei hōtaka mō te rangi nei.
Already?
Already.
Episode 7's done?
It is indeed.
Oh,
And kia ngā whakamua because we've got more episodes coming up next week.
Or Marcia, give us a little bit of a tea-fitty as to who's coming in next week.
He's all right.
Oh,
I mean,
he not
we
bad.
share the same whakapapa.
Oh.
You got to give it away to someone else to share it because, you know, when it's a sibling, I'm like, he's all right.
Yeah.
The one and only Corporateville, the corporate tanga, the PwC, the Otene Hopper is joining our show next week. Oh, I can't wait for that one to see how you two are going to get along.
Yes, no, actually, if people know us, we do get along and we actually often refer to ourselves as mahanga because we're so on
Oh, that's
the
right.
same wavelength.
Ah, can't wait for that one. Oh, that's a vibe.
Yeah, so he's coming in next week, and that's what you get here at Kōrero, a smorgasbord of entertainment, of talent, of beautiful manuhiri, kauehuri ki te anake. Kōrero is where it's at.
I love a good smorgasbord because then if you don't like them, you just put them back. Don't want you on it again. Get off.
Well, no, ko Māsia hopa tēnei, no te taitoke rau.
Felix o ka tēnei, no te taitokerau hoki.
And I'm Luke Bird, the Birdman, obviously from Te Tai Tokiro, and we cannot wait to have you with more fun and games where we do what? We kōrero.
Tahi.
Kōrero ngā mea.
Kōrero!